Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu 22.04 on VMware Workstation Player inside Windows 10 PC. Ubuntu 22.04 is still a very stable and reliable version, making it perfect for labs and learning. Whether you are setting up a lab environment or learning Linux, this video will help you install your virtual machine. So let's get started with the installation. Before we create the virtual machine, we first need the Ubuntu 22.04 ISO file. Here on the official download Ubuntu releases page, you'll notice that it only shows the latest LTS versions like 24.04 and 25.10. To get Ubuntu 22.04, we have to search Ubuntu 22.04 ISO download on the search bar. In this page, you just click on the first link, Ubuntu 22.04.5 LTS. Now as you can see on this page, under the select an image section, we can choose the desktop image. On the right, you will find the 64-bit PC desktop image link. You can download it from here, or when we scroll down, there's a full list of files. The one we need is Ubuntu 22.04.5 desktop ISO image. This is around 4.4 gigabytes. You can download it from here too. I have already downloaded the ISO file and saved it in the downloads folder on my Windows PC. Now let's open the VMware Workstation Player. Click on Create a new virtual machine. This will open the setup wizard. Here choose the default option. I'll install the operating system later and click Next. In this page, select the guest operating system as Linux. For the version, choose Ubuntu 64-bit and click Next. Here we can name the virtual machine. I'll name it as Ubuntu 22.04. In this section, you can also choose where the VM will be saved. If you want a different location, click Browse to select your desired folder. I'll save my virtual machine on the D drive. Click Next. On this page, we need to choose the disk capacity for our virtual machine. I'll set mine to 50 GB, but you can adjust this based on your system's hardware. For the next option, I'll keep the default, split virtual disk into multiple files and click Next. Now the virtual machine is ready to be created. Before we proceed, click on Customize Hardware. By default, the memory is set to 4 GB. I'll change mine to 8 GB. By default, the number of processors is set to 2. I'll change it to 4. Next, under the CD, DVD, SATA section, select Use ISO image file and click Browse. I'll choose my Ubuntu ISO from the Downloads folder. Remaining hardware settings, I'll keep it as default. Once done, click Close and then click Finish to create the new virtual machine. Now the new virtual machine is created. You can see Ubuntu 22.04 here. Click on Play Virtual Machine to start it. Once the installation window opens, you'll see the different options. Use the down arrow key to navigate and select the first option. Try or install Ubuntu, then press Enter to continue. Now the installation is started. Now the welcome window opens. Select your language as English and click Install Ubuntu. On the next page, for the keyboard layout, I'll choose English US on both sides and click Continue. On the Updates and Other Software page, I'll keep all the default options. Select Normal Installation and check Download Updates while installing Ubuntu. Then click Continue to proceed. On the next page, under Installation Type, choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. This will not erase your Windows PC since we are installing Ubuntu in a virtual machine. So click Install Now. This prompt asking to write changes to the disk. Click Continue. Next, choose your location. I'll leave it as the default and click Continue. Now we need to set up our user account. For the name, I'll enter IT_ideas. For the computer name, I'll use Ubuntu 22.04. Next, enter your preferred password and confirm it. Once done, click Continue to start the installation. Now the installation started and it may take some time to complete. Now the installation is complete. This prompt asking you to restart the system. Click on Restart Now. While rebooting, it may ask, please remove the installation medium, then press Enter. Simply press Enter now. It will continue the restart. Once the installation is complete, we can see our login screen here. Enter the password we created earlier and log in. After logging in, a few setup windows will appear. First, on the online accounts page, click Skip. Next, on the Ubuntu Pro window, click Next. Then on the Help Improve Ubuntu screen, choose No, Don't Send System Information and click Next. On the Privacy page, simply click Next. And finally, on the Ready to Go screen, click Done. That completes the initial setup. You can maximize this window to full screen, and that's it. We have now successfully installed Ubuntu 22.04 on VMware Workstation Player. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe for more Linux videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.